Search is moving from classic SEO to GEO. SEO is a framework where algorithms rank traditional web links, while GEO, or Generative Engine Optimization, is a process where AI synthesizes direct answers for users. To be cited as a source by these new generative engines, brands have to produce heavily researched, hyper-specific content. The volume required to maintain basic visibility is scaling exponentially. This line chart shows content volume required curving sharply upward against the flat line of human output capacity. That red space growing between them is the AI necessity gap. Human labor alone cannot physically type fast enough to fill it. Marketers see the math. Almost 9 out of 10 are adopting AI specifically to bridge this volume deficit. If your team ignores AI in 2026, you guarantee algorithmic invisibility. You simply will not produce enough material to be indexed. Right now, over 70% of marketers say AI saves them massive amounts of time. Yet, less than half actually report improvements in their campaign performance. Teams are buying disconnected AI software licenses and assuming they bought a strategy. They have tools, but no cohesive system to guide them. The result is a flood of generic, hallucinated text. Platforms like X and LinkedIn are already writing algorithms to actively detect and penalize this low-effort AI slop. The top path is the broken tool approach: prompt, publish, and fail. The bottom path is an intelligent system. It ingests real data, an AI agent drafting the copy, a human editor reviews it, and then it distributes across channels. The companies winning in 2026 are not the ones with the most AI licenses. They're the ones architecting the correct tier of AI system for their specific operational constraints. The first tier of the 2026 tech stack is full-stack agents. These are designed for time-poor founders and lean startup teams. Systems like Enrich Labs or Noimos AI operate as self-contained marketing departments. For direct-to-consumer brands, these agents push posting frequency from an average of 14 to 31 posts per week. They drive revenue increases of over 40% without requiring a single new human hire. Teams also use automated visual generators like Predis.ai or Google's Veo 3.1 to replace human graphic designers for quick social trends. Predis.ai is an automated trend analysis tool for social media, and Veo 3.1 is Google's generative model for high-fidelity vertical video. But handing over control to an agent carries a severe operational trade-off. If you do not perfectly calibrate the AI's core brand data, it flattens your unique voice into generic corporate speak. Full-stack agents force a compromise. You trade deep brand authenticity and creative nuance for survival-level execution speed. The second tier consists of workflow orchestrators. These are built for technical marketers, data-driven agencies, and custom builders. Platforms like Gumloop or Make allow you to build custom, multi-step logic nodes. Gumloop is a visual no-code canvas designed specifically for chaining AI tasks, and Make is an advanced visual platform for complex data routing. You can route a competitor's website data through Claude for sentiment analysis and automatically feed those insights into GPT-4 to draft a counter-perspective. Claude and GPT-4 are premium large language models capable of advanced reasoning and text generation. For extreme data privacy, teams use self-hosted orchestrators like N8N. N8N is an open-source automation platform that runs on your own servers to keep sensitive customer information entirely off public APIs. This tier gives you custom proprietary logic that your competitors cannot easily duplicate. Treating your marketing operations like software engineering requires a steep technical learning curve. It demands a developer's mindset, which often alienates traditional creative marketers. Orchestrators provide a highly secure, uncopyable operational moat, but you have to invest the time to build and maintain the plumbing. The final tier is enterprise governance centers. These are designed exclusively for large, multi-location brands and massive consumer apps. Their primary function is defensive. They use features like Sprout Social's Smart Inbox to instantly prioritize thousands of inbound messages by sentiment and urgency. Sprout Social is an enterprise-grade command center for social media management. On the offensive side, they utilize platforms like Braze to execute real-time, predictive decision-making for millions of users simultaneously. Braze is a high-volume customer engagement platform built for cross-channel orchestration. Deploying these platforms involve massive financial friction. They often carry extreme, custom subscription costs based on user volume and contact lists. Enterprise governance systems give massive brands the scale and prioritization they need to manage global audiences. Operating at this scale requires rigorous guardrails and months of clean historical data. A single AI hallucination in a high-volume customer service environment instantly becomes a major PR crisis. These systems are ultimately instruments of risk litigation and data management. They protect the brand at scale rather than focusing purely on creative generation. The technology alone does not solve the problem. The ultimate variable for success in 2026 is the human operator acting as a command marketer. The command marketer treats AI like a junior employee. The machine handles the heavy lifting of research and drafting, but its work must be heavily edited and guided by human strategy. This pie chart shows the reality of brand safety in 2026, with a massive 78.4% slice representing marketers who apply extensive human editing to AI content before publishing. This decision tree maps your path based on your primary bottleneck. Lacking time? Prioritize speed with full-stack agents. Have unique data and technical skills? Build a custom moat with workflow orchestrators. Managing high volumes where compliance is critical? Invest in enterprise governance. Regardless of the tier you choose, the mandate for surviving the AI era without destroying brand trust is simple: edit heavily. Utilize machines for speed, volume, and data processing, but reserve the final decisions on taste, empathy, and authenticity entirely for human beings.